Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at a truck that fans have been demanding for decades. Ram has finally done it. The 2027 Ram Power Wagon is here, and for the first time ever, it officially gets a diesel engine. For years, the Power Wagon was limited by its towing and payload capacity, but that's all about to change. Under the hood, you'll now find the legendary 6.7-liter Cummins High-Output turbo diesel. This powerhouse delivers 430 horsepower and a massive best-in-class base torque of 1,075 pound-feet. This is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and a new 3.42 rear axle ratio to optimize power delivery and fuel efficiency. With its 31-gallon fuel tank, you're looking at an estimated range of 600 miles, which is perfect for long-distance overlanding. The biggest upgrade here is the capability. Previously, the Power Wagon's towing was capped around 10,000 pounds, but this new diesel version effectively doubles that, maxing out at nearly 20,000 pounds. For the first time, it even offers fifth wheel and gooseneck preparation, along with an available automatic leveling rear air suspension to handle those heavy loads without sagging. Now, there is one major trade-off you need to know about. To fit the Cummins diesel and its massive cooling hardware, specifically the intercooler, Ram had to remove the factory-installed winch. The engineers decided that giving customers the diesel option was worth the sacrifice, especially since a winch can be easily added in the aftermarket. If the winch is a deal breaker for you, the gas-powered Power Wagon is still available with one. Despite the new engine, it's still a true Power Wagon. You get front and rear electronic locking differentials, Bilstein shocks, and the class exclusive front stabilizer bar disconnect for massive articulation on the trails. It sits on 20-inch satin black wheels wrapped in 34-inch all-terrain tires, giving it over 13 inches of ground clearance. It also comes standard with Mopar rock rails to protect the body when things get tight. Visually, it features the updated Ram heavy-duty styling, including the Sport Performance hood and iconic Power Wagon graphics. Inside, the cabin is arguably the most premium in the segment, featuring an available 14.5-inch Uconnect touchscreen and even an optional passenger-side interactive display. It's a perfect mix of luxury and rugged utility. So when can you get one? The 2027 Ram Power Wagon with the Cummins diesel is expected to arrive in the second half of 2026. As for the price, it won't be cheap. It starts at $88,470, which includes destination charges.